Drug abuse is hitting the country by storm, an epidemic reaching every nook and cranny of our streets, and here is one of them. Perk 30 is a 30 milligram dose of oxycodone, an opioid pain reliever. According to the Department of Justice, from April 2020 to April 2021, an estimated 100,000 people died as a result of drug overdoses in the U.S. More than 75% of those deaths involved an opioid. I sat down with a person who is stuck within the confines of this drug who will remain anonymous. Here is his story.
Because you do something for so long, it becomes a habit, basically. Like for a lot of things, but with drugs and stuff, it's physically and mentally bad. Like try to make some money or something, and then if you don't for a while, you don't make no money. Eventually, you start like thinking like, damn, I know I'm gonna start having withdrawals soon. It's like a mental pain and a little bit of physical pain at the beginning, but later as it keeps going, it starts getting more physical, like really bad, to the point where I didn't even want to get up to move barely.
There's so many programs that what we call withdrawal management, like methadone, or we have Suboxone, Subutex, or there's just drugs that can help somebody to withstand the withdrawal, right? Doesn't stop the withdrawal, just helps them to tolerate it more.
After a few days, almost a week maybe, I just started feeling better, like maybe you could call it a natural high, maybe, I'm not sure. But it was just feeling like things were getting to normal again, and I wasn't feeling withdrawal-y or any kind of pain mentally or physically, and so I knew I was good.
A lot of people try and dehumanize drug addicts but I think we need to try and humanize them more in a way. Because these people are struggling, with these addictions and these withdrawals. It's just such a heavy subject for somebody that it's a continuous ladder that doesn't seem to end.
I have a firm belief that prevention is the key. We need to provide social programs that are going to help our kids to adapt to this strange, sometimes struggling environment that we put in.
Maybe you distance yourself from other people and distance yourself from the environment and stay around people that have good intentions for you and that are sober, pretty much.